Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log in chat and date dating app. So first of all, open the app. Now after the app has been displayed on the screen, tap on sign in, which is below continue with Facebook button. You must tap on any one option. If you have registered your account with Google, simply tap on continue with Google, or if you have registered with your email ID or a phone number, tap on sign in with email or phone. I have registered my account with my email ID, so I'll tap on sign in with email. Now you must enter your email ID or a phone number in first text bar, and you must enter your password in second text bar. So after you have entered your email ID and the password, tap on sign in button, which is right below the text bar. If you haven't allowed chat and data to access this device, tap on while using app or allow this time. As you can see, I've successfully logged into my chat and date app. So this is how you can also log into your account. I hope this video helped you. If you like our video, please don't forget to hit subscribe button and like the video for more updates. Thank you.